The content of your website is useless if your website is slow. Imagine your website being a storefront, and when people make a search, it is Google giving them directions to your website. And when they get there, they knock on the door. And if you don't open in less than 3 seconds, they are leaving. How fast your website really determines if people are going to stay or if people are going to go. To check how fast your website is, you go to this website, PageSpeed Insights, or you can go to GT Metrics. Let's use this website, catlives.co.uk. Then you analyze. This website is owned by Google, so the result that you get there is 100%. I'm going to show you, it's going to show you the reason why, how fast your website is, and the reason why your website is slow. Typically, slow websites are usually caused by large images. And to do this, there it is, the performance. So as you can see, this website is very good. It is fast. The first contentful paint, which is the hero section, is 1.5 seconds, while the largest contentful paint, that means the largest image on the page, will load in 1.6 seconds. So if your website is slow, here is what you can do. First, if you have a large image, you shrink the image. You can use a website like TinyPNG to reduce the image size, then you put it back. Also, if you're using WordPress, you probably have a lot of plugins that you don't use. Every plugins, delete them. And also enable cache on your website. You can use plugins like WP Fastest Cache. If you can do these 3 things, I'm very sure your website will become as fast as this. My name is Idris. If you want to check for your SEO audits, we are offering free SEO audit on seedsprout. See you tomorrow.